Atishi's big cash for votes charge on the BJP. Atishi claims BJP netas giving cash to voters. Atishi claims BJP distributing cash ahead of polls. EC should arrest Paresh Verma. So this is Atishi making a big charge against BJP's Paresh Verma, saying that BJP netas are giving out cash to voters, that they're distributing cash ahead of polls that are slated to take place in Delhi in February. Let's listen to what Chief Minister Atishi said.
नई दिल्ली विधानसभा में जहां से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी चुनाव लड़ते हैं, जहां से अरविंद केजरीवाल जी विधायक हैं, वहां पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी पब्लिक को, लोगों को, वोटर्स को उनके वोटर कार्ड देख कर पैसे बांट रही है। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के प्रवेश वर्मा जी रंगे हाथों पैसे बांटते हुए पकड़े गए। ये फोटो है प्रवेश वर्मा जी का, जो सरकारी बंगला उनको एमपी के तौर पे मिला था। 20 विंजर प्लेस पर नई दिल्ली विधानसभा की अलग अलग झुग्गियों से, कॉलोनी से महिलाओं को बुलाया गया। प्रवेश वर्मा जी की फोटो के साथ एक फॉर्म भरवाया गया, उनका वोटर आईडी लिया गया और हर महिला को लिफाफे में 1100 रुपए दिए गए। प्रवेश वर्मा की गिरफ्तारी की डिमांड हम रखते हैं और अब इलेक्शन कमीशन को भी, ईडी, सीबीआई को भी और दिल्ली पुलिस को इस पे जवाब देना होगा।
My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Amit, in the latest we're seeing that Chief Minister Atishi has made a big claim against BJP's Paresh Verma, saying that BJP netas are giving out cash to voters ahead of the crucial Delhi polls. Give us more details.
Chetna, yesterday you had AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal making that claim on social media that voters from his constituency are being given cash for votes. Now, he had alleged sort of, irregularity or ill practice that is being done on part of the BJP. And today, even during a press conference, Arvind Kejriwal said that you come to my constituency and you will see these cash being given out by the BJP workers to the voters of his constituency. And now you have Delhi Chief Minister Atishi making that claim that rupees 1100 is being handed out to the voters of New Delhi constituency. And Atishi has made direct allegation against former BJP MP Parvez Sahib Singh Verma. In fact, I'm waiting outside Parvez Sahib Singh Verma's residence. And what we are hoping is that he'll be issuing an official response to the entire episode. But what we are given to understand through our sources is that there's an NGO called Rashtriya Swabhiman, which is run by Parvez Verma's family, and that this money was being withdrawn from Rashtriya Swabhiman's bank account, and it was being given to the women voters of New Delhi constituency. The idea or the argument behind this handing over of cash is what we are given to understand through our sources is that, the former MP felt that many of these voters belong to lower economic strata. Their government schemes were not working, pension schemes were not working. So inspired by the Ladli Yojana, he thought of helping them through cash. Now that is the sources, those who are close to Parvez Sahib Singh Verma, saying that all this money is coming from a bank account of an NGO. So there's no wrongdoing on part of the former MP. That is one argument. But Aam Aadmi Party is questioning that ahead of the elections, how can you do this?
Absolutely.
So this has triggered a massive political war.
Keep tracking that story. We'll come back to you for more on this. In the latest, Delhi Chief Minister has hit out at the BJP, claiming that the BJP is distributing cash for votes.